You only need to make $3,000. And in this video, I'm going to show you 2 setups that I took. I passed the evaluation with simply just one simple trade. One simple setup, one simple trade. I met the profit target and I'm pretty much done now. All right, guys. So one of the very main things I get asked for from people often is, what size account should I start off with? What size account should a brand new trader start trading in when they look into trading for a prop firm? And my answer is always very similar. That's up to you, the individual. Now, today I'm going to give you a more straightforward answer. My favorite accounts to trade in are the $150,000 account and the $50,000 account. Now, if I was a brand new trader just starting out and I'm going through courses and trying to learn, I'd probably say the $50,000 or the $25,000 account would be the way to go, because guess what? You're probably gonna blow it up, and that's perfectly okay. You're supposed to blow up accounts, and you're better off blowing up prop firm accounts than your own cash account. So if you're trading live money from your bank account, you might want to take a break on that if you're brand new. Put yourself into some training, put yourself into some education, and go from there. Trade in the evaluation accounts at the prop firms, but trade in the smaller accounts. Why? Because the smaller accounts are cheaper and you're gonna blow them up anyways. Now look, I'll help you out with a discount code in the description and comment section. You'll get anywhere from 70 to 90% off using my code, depending on what special is going on over at Apex. With my code, you're always going to get the best available discount. Now, why do I say the $50,000 account? Well, very simple. Let me show you real quick. All right, guys, so here we are at the Apex website, and you can see right here, you can scroll on down and you can take a look at everything. But this guy's amazing amount of payouts that have been done here. Look at this thing. It's insane. So you scroll on down, you can see all the different accounts: 25,000, 50, 75, 100, 150, 250. All right, this is if you want to trade with Ninja Trader. If you want to trade with Tradeovate, it's just a couple bucks more. Here you go, the $50,000 account, which is the one that I typically suggest new traders try out, and the one we're going to go over here and show you the live trades that I have here recorded where I passed these evaluations with just one simple trade. You can also have the $25,000 one, which is a great one to practice with. Now look, the $50,000 one, your profit goal is 3,000 bucks. That's it. And you have 2,500 in drawdown. That's freaking amazing. That's really good drawdown, considering only $500 more is what you need to make in order to pass your evaluation. Now these are $187. Now you go 187, use my coupon code, all caps, Jesse W. Currently you can get 80% off with that. So you take 80% off, you're talking about $37.40. If you wanted to do the smaller one, 167, which is the 25K one, currently that one would run you 33 bucks. So I'd say the 50K one is the best route to go. It's just the best bang for your buck. Currently, if you are a brand new trader, then more than likely will blow up the account within a day or two or within the month, right? The point of this is for you to take it easy, take it slow. While I come in here and I try to take 10 contracts and try to pass this in 1 to 3 trades, you might want to take a month or 2 or 3 to pass this. You might want to come in here and start off with the micros so that you don't get anywhere near blowing up, and build a little bit of a cushion with the micros. And then once you have, let's say, $1,000 cushion, then maybe you can set up to the minis and trade 1, 2, 3 minis and go from there as you try to get to that $3,000 mark and pass your evaluation. Remember, you're in the learning phase right now. So what do you want to do in the learning phase? You want to get yourself a good course that doesn't cost an arm or a leg. Check out the description section below. You want to get yourself a good prop firm evaluation account that doesn't cost an arm or a leg. This is just 30 something dollars. Hey, yo, you waste 40, 50 bucks every single month on useless BS that doesn't benefit you in the least bit, right? So what's 34, 35 bucks a month on something that you can practice in, trade, and maybe even pass and become a funded trader, right? So those are 2 main things you want to do. And then the third thing, you want to take your time. You want to trade slowly. You want to build up confidence as you expand your education and gain more experience. So the 50K, I think, meets that criteria for you. It's cheap enough and it's fairly easy to pass once you know what you're doing, obviously. So we'll go ahead and show you those videos in a second here, where I can show you the trades I took to pass these evaluations on the 50K. All right, so here I am. We had a push up to the highs, rejected, and we got back under 760 zone, I went ahead and used that level there, was previous support, as a level that I'm looking for resistance. It was on a bigger time frame, a level of resistance, and I'm looking for further downside here into 738 zone, which just so happens to be just enough for me to hit the $3,000 mark on this and pass the account. Now, Apex every once in a while has a special where you can get funded in one day, meaning if you hit the profit target in one day, you get funded. You don't have to wait any longer than that, because typically you have to trade a total of 7 days in the account. Now, you don't have to keep trading the minis. You can go trade the micros, which is what I'm doing on these accounts now. I'm trading the micros on them until I complete my total of 10 days trading, and then it'll become a funded account. Okay, so here I am looking for that drop into that 738 zone, and we're watching and waiting. Here it comes. It's looking like it's gonna go. It taps just in front of it, and I'm like, oh, come on, man, you're not gonna fill me? No way. So I sat there, I left my order there because I'm pretty confident we should be tapping that zone and maybe even getting down to 730 land. I don't need to get down to 730. I just need 38.75 zone. There it is, $3,000 in the pocket, a little bit over that. And now I just tread water on these, meaning I will trade micros in this account until my full 7 days are up. Now let me show you the next live trade. Okay, so here we have the next live trade. And here we had a big level on the hourly chart that was a resistance zone basically overnight. And we tapped it and we rejected it. I went ahead and got short right up there and put out another one. You see 10 contracts at 58. Why? Because that's all I needed in order to get my funded done, right? To pass the evaluation. I don't need to get down here to 745 or 750. I just need 758. Okay, we're short from up here, waiting for that drop into 758. We have a lot of volume on this rejection, showing us there's a lot of pressure in that zone there, and we're selling off from it. I'm like, okay, well, I'm thinking we should get down here towards 50 zone. Well, I don't need 50. I just need 58. We're going to hold tight there. You see the volume continuously increasing as we struggle to hold that level. Every time we pop up a little bit, we get sold right on into. There's the big old drop right into the zone. Get the fill, get the account funded. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? Done. Now, would I suggest a brand new trader do this? Take on full size in their $50,000 account and try to pass it in one day, in one trade? Absolutely not. All right, absolutely not. I try to pass my evaluations, generally speaking, within 1 to 3 trades. Why? Because it's a speed thing for me. I want to get it done. I'm here to make money and then post these videos on YouTube and share it all with you. Like right now, I'm doing something that I've never done before. I'm trying to accumulate myself over 10 of those $50,000 accounts because I've already proven the $150,000 accounts. I've already taken profits, meaning I've gotten payouts and I've posted them on YouTube, all right, from the $150,000 accounts. Now the $50,000 accounts for me is actually a little bit of a challenge because it's a smaller account. I'm used to trading a little bit larger. I'm used to trading a little bit more aggressive in those accounts. In these $50,000 accounts, I have to be a little bit more conservative. I have to trade smaller, otherwise I'll blow them up very easily. As a matter of fact, I blew up, I think it was back in December or in January, I'm not quite sure when it was. I blew up 3 or 4 of those $50,000 accounts that were funded, and I blew them up because I was trading them basically like I was trading a $150,000 account. And there's no way in the world that you can do that because you have $2,500 trailing drawdown on the $50,000, whereas you have $5,000 trailing drawdown on the $150,000. It doesn't math. You can't math it up and make it make sense and take the same amount of risk. So I'm revamping my plan and I'm trading the $50,000 accounts. And I want to show you guys that small profits throughout, on a consistent basis will add up to awesome payouts, especially when you use a copy trader or especially when you trade multiple $50,000 accounts. And that's going to be my goal here for the next few weeks, is just to trade those smaller $50,000 accounts and prove to you guys that you can make money with $50,000 accounts, that you can take payouts with $50,000 accounts. You just got to be patient. Now, I'm going to try this. There's no guarantee I'll have success with them. There isn't. I know I have success with the $150,000 accounts. Hell, I'm up probably somewhere in the $15,000 area right now, or $16,000 area, with 2 $150,000 accounts that I've been trading individually. All right. Right now, I'm just trading on one because the other one's already met the payout standard and I'm leaving it alone, not touching it. Going to wait for payout day to request my payout. I'm still trading in the other one that is up a little bit over $9,000 in profit already. So I know I can get it done in the 150s. I've shown them to you. Now we're going to do it in the 50s, and I'm going to show you that you can take profits on the $50,000 accounts. I'm going to do it. We're going to give it hell. We're going to try hard. Any questions, drop them in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. Smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, and check out all the links in the description and comment section for the courses and prop firm discounts, guys. Have yourself a great rest of your day. I'll catch you on another one. Peace.